Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about useful and harmful effects of changes in materials. In this lesson, you will learn and understand the useful and harmful effects of chemical changes in materials to the environment. Are you ready? Look at the illustration below. What can you say about it? Pictures 1 to 4 show the growth of a plant. Each of these growth stages is a useful change. Picture 5 shows a harmful change, a rotting papaya. Matter undergoes useful and harmful changes. What is useful materials? What are the changes in material that are useful to the environment? What made them useful to the environment? Materials are considered useful when it serves a purpose. Some useful materials can also be reused. Chemical changes of materials that are useful are combustion, photosynthesis, respiration, and cooking of food. Cooking food and the ripening of fruits are useful chemical changes. Cooking food makes food palatable or pleasant to taste. Freezing water and subliming mothballs are also useful physical changes. By freezing liquid water, we make ice. The mothball vapor spreads out to keep cockroaches from staying in cabinets. Changes also happen in our environment. Water evaporates and condenses into clouds. It falls back to the ground again as rain through precipitation. Burning of firewood produces heat that is necessary in cooking, while a motor vehicle burns gasoline or diesel to get the energy it needs to run. Firewood, gasoline, and diesel are examples of fuel that are burned to generate energy. These changes are useful to us. Carbon dioxide and other gases trap the heat of the sun within Earth's atmosphere. This natural phenomenon is called the greenhouse effect. It is responsible for making Earth just warm enough to support life. Many household materials perform specific functions at home. One example is bleach. It is a powerful whitening agent. It removes stain from clothes. Insecticides are chemicals used to prevent insects from causing damage. Farmers use pesticides to avoid damage to crops. What is harmful materials? What are the changes in material that are harmful to the environment? What made them harmful to the environment? Materials can be considered harmful when they are made for certain purpose only and can cause injury when not used or disposed properly. Chemical changes of materials that are harmful are chemical fertilizers, burning, rusting of iron, and making a charcoal. Burning fuels and greenhouse effect are a useful changes. However, they produce smoke that releases more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Too much carbon dioxide increases the temperature of the atmosphere and leads to global warming. Global warming melts ice in the polar regions, causing the water level rise. Bleach, insecticides, and pesticides are useful materials. However, they also have harmful effects. Bleach can damage clothes that are soaked in it for a long time. It may also irritate the skin, so it is important to use gloves when handling a bleach. Insecticides and pesticides have toxic effects as exposure can range from mild symptoms to more severe symptoms. Exposure can even possibly lead to death. Burning of waste, such as plastics, leads to an environmental problem. The gas released when burning waste is toxic that can cause long-term health problems such as eye and nose irritation, difficulty in breathing, coughing, headaches, and asthma. More examples of harmful effects of changes in materials. Too much evaporation. Too much evaporation means a lot of water is disappearing from where it should be, like from the ocean, lakes, rivers, or even the soil. Harmful effects of too much evaporation. Drying up of water sources. Increase in drought. Drought, which means there is not enough water for crops to grow, causing food shortages and harming farms and farmers. Melting of glaciers. Glaciers are huge masses of ice that are very important because they store a lot of water. When they melt, they turn into water, which flows into rivers and oceans. Harmful effects of melting of glaciers. Rising sea levels. When glaciers melt too fast, it adds a lot of water to the oceans, causing them to rise. This can flood coastal areas where many people live and can damage homes and buildings. Loss of habitat. Animals like polar bears and seals rely on glaciers for hunting and resting. When the ice melts, they lose their homes and places to find food, making it harder for them to survive. Air pollution. Chemical changes can release harmful gases into the air, like when cars burn fuel or factories produce smoke. Harmful effects of air pollution. Respiratory problems. Breathing in polluted air can cause coughing, asthma, and other breathing problems, making it hard for people, especially kids and older adults, to stay healthy. Environmental damage. Polluted air can harm plants and animals, disrupt ecosystems, and even lead to global warming, which can cause extreme weather events like hurricanes and droughts. Water contamination. Chemical changes can also happen in water, like when factories dump waste into rivers or when fertilizers from farms wash into lakes. Harmful effects of water contamination. Health risks. Contaminated water can make people sick if they drink it or swim in it. It can cause stomach aches, diarrhea, and even more serious illnesses. Harm to aquatic life. Chemicals in water can harm fish, frogs, and other aquatic animals, disrupting their habitats and causing population declines. Soil degradation. Chemical changes in the soil can occur when pesticides, herbicides, or other chemicals are used in farming or gardening. Harmful effects of soil degradation. Loss of fertility. Chemicals in the soil can kill helpful organisms like earthworms and bacteria, and making it hard for plants to grow. This leads to poor crop yields and reduces the amount of food that can be grown. Contamination of food. If plants absorb chemicals from the soil, they can end up in the food we eat. Eating food contaminated with harmful chemicals can cause health problems over time. Corrosion. Corrosion is a chemical change that happens when metals react with substances in the environment like oxygen or water. Harmful effects of corrosion. Damage to structures. Corrosion can weaken metal structures like bridges, buildings, and pipelines, and leading to collapses, leaks, and other accidents. Costly repairs. Fixing or replacing corroded metal objects can be expensive and time-consuming, especially if they are critical infrastructure or equipment. Acid rain. Chemical reactions in the atmosphere can produce acids that fall back to Earth as rain, snow, or fog. Harmful effects of acid rain. Damage to ecosystem. Acid rain can harm plants, trees, and aquatic life by leaching nutrients from the soil, damaging leaves and needles, and making bodies of water too acidic for fish and other organisms to survive. Deterioration of buildings and monuments. Acid rain can erode and corrode buildings, statues, and monuments made of stone or metal, leading to their deterioration and loss of cultural heritage. Groundwater contamination. Chemicals from industrial spills, landfills, or agricultural runoff can seep into the ground and contaminate groundwater sources. Harmful effects of groundwater contamination. Health risks. Contaminated groundwater can pose serious health risks to humans and animals if consumed, leading to illnesses such as cancer, neurological disorders, and reproductive problems. Long-term environmental damage. Once groundwater is contaminated, it can be difficult and costly to clean up, posing long-term risks to the environment and public health. Once again, materials undergo chemical change, and it could be useful or harmful. Chemical changes of materials that are useful are combustion, photosynthesis, respiration, and cooking of food. Chemical changes of materials that are harmful are chemical fertilizers, burning, rusting of iron, and making a charcoal. Read each question carefully. Identify the correct answer. Which of the following is considered a useful change? A. Corrosion. B. Rusting. C. Gas emission. D. Precipitation. The answer is D. Precipitation. Which of these is a useful change? A. Curdling of milk. B. Cracking of walls. C. Ice cream melting. D. Cementing of pavement. The answer is D. Cementing of pavement. Which of these is considered a harmful change? A. Drying fish. B. Roasting beef. C. Ripening of fruit. D. Burning of plastics. The answer is D. Burning of plastics. What harmful effects can occur due to too much evaporation of water sources? A. Increase in rainfall. B. Decrease in droughts. C. Growth of aquatic life. D. Drying up of water sources. The answer is B. Drying up of water sources. What harmful effects can result from the melting of glaciers? A. Decrease in sea levels. B. Increase in sea levels. C. Growth of aquatic life. D. Reduction in coastal flooding. And the correct answer is B. Increase in sea levels. What harmful effects are caused by corrosion as a chemical change? A. Decrease in repair costs. B. Preservation of metal objects. C. Strengthening of metal structures. D. Damage to structures like bridges and buildings. And the answer is D. Damage to structures like bridges and buildings. What harmful effects can result from water contamination as a chemical change? A. Harm to air animals. B. Harm to land animals. C. Harm to aquatic animals. D. Harm to plants. And the answer is C. Harm to aquatic animals. What harmful effects can result from acid rain as a chemical change? A. Increase in soil nutrients. B. Promotion of aquatic life. C. Damage to ecosystems and buildings. D. Preservation of buildings and monuments. And the answer is C. Damage to ecosystems and buildings. Say wow if the situation has a useful effect to our environment. Say whoops if the situation has a harmful effect. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Cooking food makes food palatable or pleasant to taste. Wow! Burning fuels produce smoke that releases more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Whoops! Bleach removes stain from clothes. Wow! Too much carbon dioxide increases the temperature of the atmosphere and leads to global warming. Whoops! Burning of firewood produces heat that is necessary in cooking. Wow! Factories dump waste into rivers. Whoops! Throwing dead animals in the sea. Whoops! A motor vehicle burns gasoline or diesel to get the energy it needs to run. Wow! Burning of garbage. Whoops! The mothball vapor spreads out to keep cockroaches from staying in cabinets. Wow! Bleach can damage clothes that are soaked in it for a long time. Whoops! Global warming melts ice in the polar regions, causing the water level rise. Whoops!
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.